Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri. Now imagine if that too tight hoodie that you have tossed at the bottom of your closet could actually become the most comfortable piece of loungewear that you own, that you just want to curl up and be cozy in for the coming cold weather. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with just a little bit of cutting and stitching and a funky old pillowcase. And if you love these kind of out-of-the-box yet super simple Refashionista tutorials, I invite you to join my wardrobe revolution because it's chock full of them. It doesn't matter if you can sew, if you can't sew, it's all in there and it's all there to help you use what you have to make what you want and feel great every day when you open your closet. For this quick and easy, comfy project, all you need is your sweatshirt or hoodie or top or whatever the heck it is that you're going to upsize and some fabric to use to upsize it. I am using this very cool quilted patchwork pillow sham because I think it's going to look awesome as my upsizing panels. So first, flip your top inside out and make sure that the fabric you've chosen is long enough to cover the entire area where you're planning on inserting the upsizing panels. For me, I'm going to put them on the side, and this is more than enough fabric. Because mine is a pillow sham, one of those, decorative pillowcase covers, I already went ahead and chopped off the back fabric here where you would insert the pillow. If yours is regular fabric, clearly you don't have to do that. But luckily, mine here has these wonderful even patchwork squares. So I am just going to cut it to the size of these patchwork squares, and then I will have two even pieces for upsizing. If you want to measure out the absolute 100% to the millimeter size of your insert panels, go right ahead. I'm more of an eyeball it kind of refashionista, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so because my side panels are all ready, I guess I better get the sweatshirt ready. Now, I'm not a fan of these cuffs here or this part on the bottom, so I'm going to remove them. And as with everything I chop off and don't use immediately, these will go in my stash for a future project. Okay, now we're just going to cut out these thick side seams all the way from the cuff all the way through to the bottom of the sweatshirt. You should now have all of your sides totally open, and you know what? If you want to leave it like that and just wear it like it's a big poncho, by all means go ahead. Or you could actually take off the sleeves as well and then just kind of stitch to about here and leave this part open, and then you'd have a poncho as well. So there you go, extra little bonus idea if you want to use it. Okay, so now we're going to grab one of our side panels, and how totally cool is this going to look? I think it's going to be absolutely amazing. And you just want to line up the cut bottom edge here of your shirt or hoodie or whatever with the end of one of your side panels and go all the way like so down to the hem of your sleeve. There you go. And then go stitch that together. Repeat on the other side. Then you want to do the whole thing on the other side of your shirt. So here is what the first side looks like. How cool does that look? And now all I have to do is fold this back over, grab the other side of that sleeve, and then do the whole thing with the other chopped edge here, just lining it up and stitching straight down. This looks so awesome, and it is definitely upsized. I think I'm going to live in this when the weather starts getting super chilly, but You know, the cuffs don't look great, do they? And neither does the bottom hem. Luckily, I still have those pieces left, those side pieces from the pillow sham. So I'm going to use this for my bottom hem, and I think I have enough left to go around the sleeve cuffs too. The bottom looks absolutely fantastic now. But I did not, in fact, have enough of this left over to do the sleeves, so I just grabbed the former bottom hem waistband out of my stash, and I created some bigger sleeve cuffs for my wonderful big blanket type hoodie. So now let's go try it on and style it up. And there's more proof that you do not have to buy anything new or even new to you from the thrift shop to actually create those items that maybe you've been coveting forever. Like, I have been wanting one of those big oversized hoodies forever. And I just could never bring myself to spend the money to get one. And you know, now I have one, and I have one that's exactly my taste and style because I made it. And you see how totally easy it is to do that. So join my wardrobe revolution, and we are going to do that together, one-on-one. Like, you don't get any better than that. I'm going to give you my Refashionista brain virtually, of course. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.